Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will start with database management system introduction in RPSC Programmer. So what is database? Database is a सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम होता है जो कि अलाउ करता है यूजर्स को डेटाबेस डिफाइन करने के लिए, क्रिएट करने के लिए एंड मेंटेन and to control access like who can access the data in the database. Key components of a DBMS. So the first one is database. ये एक structured collection होता है डेटा का जो कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली स्टोर्ड होता है कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में. एंड द सेकंड वन इज डेटाबेस स्कीमा. ये एक स्ट्रक्चर ब्लूप्रिंट होता है डेटाबेस का जो कि डिफाइन करता है हाउ द डेटा शुड बी स्टोर्ड इन द डेटाबेस. थर्ड वन इज डेटा मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज. ये एक लैंग्वेज होती है जो कि अलाउ करती है यूजर्स को रिट्रीव, इंसर्ट एंड अपडेट और डिलीट द डेटा इन द डेटाबेस. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज. ये एक लैंग्वेज होती है जो कि अलाउ करती है यूजर्स को टू डिफाइन एंड मॉडिफाई द डेटाबेस स्कीमा. सो द फिफ्थ वन इज क्वेरी प्रोसेसर. ये एक कंपोनेंट होता है डीबीएमएस सिस्टम में जो कि ट्रांसलेट करता है क्वेरीज को रिटन इन हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज लाइक एसक्यूएल into low level instructions that DBMS can understand. So the sixth one is concurrency control. ये एक मैकेनिज्म होता है डीबीएमएस सिस्टम में जो कि इंश्योर करता है कि मल्टीपल यूजर्स कैन साइमल्टेनियसली यूज द सिस्टम without compromising data integrity. सो द सेवंथ वन इज ट्रांजेक्शन मैनेजमेंट. ये एक मैकेनिज्म होता है जो कि इंश्योर करता है इन द डेटाबेस सिस्टम दैट द ग्रुप ऑफ ऑपरेशंस होते हैं वो एक साथ एग्जीक्यूट हो. इफ ऑन if a single instruction failed, then the whole process should be failed. And the eighth one is data security. It protects the database from the unauthorized access and ensure data privacy and integrity. So now the next topic is database languages. So we have the four languages: data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, and the last one is transactional control language. So the first one is data definition language. So basically DDL use होता है to define the structure of database schema. We have various commands for it, like the first one is create. So basically we can use the create command to create the database, table, index, views, function and triggers. And the second one is alter command. So basically alter command use होता है to change the structure of an existing database. So we can use the alter command to modify the existing tables such as adding or dropping columns, changing column data types or changing constraints. And the third one is drop. So basically drop command delete कर देता है सारे objects or tables from the database. This command is used to delete the existing table, only the existing table from the database. And the fourth one is truncate. So basically truncate remove कर देता है सारे records from a table including the spaces allocated for the records. So basically इसका structure intact रह जाता है, बाकी जो भी data है table के अंदर वो सारा remove हो जाता है इससे. एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज कमेंट. कमेंट कमांड होता है जो कि यूज आता है टू एड द कमेंट फॉर द टेबल इन द डेटाबेस. एंड द सिक्स्थ वन इज रीनेम. इट इज बेसिकली यूज टू रीनेम एन ऑब्जेक्ट और a table. And the second one is data manipulation language. So DML is basically allowing us to manipulate data stored in the database. So basically we have created the table or database from the previous one. So now we are manipulating the data inside the table or database. So the first one is select. We use the select command to retrieve data from a database. Insert command is used to insert the data into a table. And the update command, we are using it to update the existing data which is present in the table in the database. Delete command is used to delete all the records from a database table. And merge command is used to perform all the operations like insert, update, delete operation on a target table based on the results of a join within a source table. And the last one is call command. Basically, we use call command to call a stored procedure or a function by also passing value in it. And the third one is डेटा कंट्रोल लैंग्वेज. सो बेसिकली डेटा कंट्रोल लैंग्वेज होती है जो कि परमिशन, सिक्योरिटी और एक्सेस कंट्रोल से के साथ डील करती है. लाइक वी कैन यूज द DCL टू प्रोवाइड द परमिशन टू एक्सेस of the data in the database to users. Like a teacher wants the access of the data from the student database, like his name, his phone number, his parents' name, then we can provide the access only for that part to the teacher. So basically we have two commands here. The first one is grant. Grant command we use to grant permission to the user, like whether can whether he can access the data in the database or which data can he access in the database. Second one is revoke. So whatever permission we are giving, we can also take it back by using the revoke command. So the last one is transaction control language. So TCL basically deals with the transaction in the database. So there are various commands. First one is rollback. So basically we use the rollback to cancel or undo changes. So basically we have done some changes. Then if we want to take it to the previous state of the database, then we can use the rollback command. And the second one is commit. So we have made some changes in the table or the database. Then we can use the commit command to save those changes. And the last one is save point. Basically, it is used to save the data on the temporary basis in the database. So that's all for the introduction in the database. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.